You sound like my nephew. Always thinking you need to do things on your own without anyone's support. There is nothing wrong with letting people who love you help you. Not that I love you, I just met you.
So, where is your nephew?
I've been tracking him, actually. His life has recently changed and he's going through very difficult times. He's trying to figure out who he is, and he went away.
So, now you're following him.
I know he doesn't want me around right now, but if he needs me, I'll be there.
Okay, so before we begin, let's talk about tea for a moment. Uncle Iroh likes two teas in particular, jasmine tea and ginseng tea. And I highly recommend you get some tea online rather than the kind you find in a grocery store, because the grocery store tea doesn't really taste very good, and you're probably going to wind up making hot leaf juice instead of actual tea.
This tea is nothing more than hot leaf juice.
So throw away your grocery store tea. Okay, so start off by placing a metal bowl in a freezer and letting it chill for about 5 minutes. Then add 2 cups of water in a metal pot or one of those water boiler thingies, I forgot what they're called, and bring it to a rolling boil. Then add the water into the bowl we left in the freezer earlier, and then keep track of the water temperature using a thermometer. Anywhere in between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 180 degrees Fahrenheit is the ideal temperature for brewing green tea. So the most common ratio for most teas is 1 teaspoon of tea per cup of water, so with that in mind, we're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of green tea to our teapot. Now just go ahead and add in your hot water. Then cover your teapot and let the tea steep for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Now simply pour your green tea into a cup and enjoy a delicious cup of tea that even Uncle Iroh would be proud of. Congrats! Okay, so next up we're going to make Uncle Iroh's second favorite tea, ginseng tea.
Would be honored to join you. Do you have any ginseng tea? It's my favorite.
So begin by adding in 2 cups of water and bringing it to a rolling boil. Also, we don't need to measure the temperature this time because the best temperature to brew ginseng tea at is 208 degrees Fahrenheit. And water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, so if you just let the water rest for a minute, the temperature will lower down to the correct level of heat. Now add in a tablespoon of ginseng tea and pour in the hot water. Then let the tea steep for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Once the timer goes off, simply remove the tea and pour it out. And there you have it, you made a perfect cup of ginseng tea. Congrats!